Hello and welcome, you're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, joins humanitarian organizations and countries around the globe in recognizing World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. In 2013, United Nations member states adopted a resolution that designated July 30th as the World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. The day aims to raise awareness about the victims of human trafficking and promote and protect their rights. This year's theme, Leave No Child Behind in the Fight Against Human Trafficking, urges accelerated action to end child trafficking. The theme highlights that children represent 1 in 3 trafficking victims globally, with girls being disproportionately affected. A new edition of the Salesian Summer Volunteering Initiative was held in Kalias and Guinness from 6th to 20th of July among the refugees welcomed there. The initiative, promoted by the Salesian International Volunteer Women in Education and Development, brought together young people and several members of the Salesian family, together with the Khubor Catholic organization. This experience gave us the opportunity to meet people exiled from their countries, to know the reality of their lives, listen to them, help them, and feel empathy and compassion towards them, explained Marie, one of the volunteers. In the month of July, some young people from the Salesian educational pastoral communities of Italy had a special summer missionary experience. They made themselves available to the educating community of the El Aquilon Oratory of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in Taranto to carry out street education activities with them. The initiative has benefited many minors at risk from the social context in which the Salesian religious work, but also, to a large extent, the missionaries themselves, capable of discovering new realities and opening themselves, thanks to this experience, to new intentions, dreams and hopes. On 27th July, the third group of Salesians in the St. Cyril and Methodius province of Slovenia concluded the retreat preached by Archbishop Stanislav Hover, SDB, Archbishop Emeritus of Belgrade, at the Salesian St. Francis de Sales School in Zelemje. At the end of the retreat, the Salesians renewed their religious professions and accompanied with particular joy 3 young Salesian missionaries in renewing theirs, practical trainees Vincenzo Lethan Trung and Giuseppe Nguyen Hoc Duc from Vietnam, and Daniel Tabu Kazwayi from the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Salesian St. Louis School has successfully concluded its highly anticipated Lead Camp and Cool Adventure Camp held from 15th to 16th of July and from 17th to 19th, 2024 respectively. The events brought together a total of 55 participants, including students, facilitators and educators, to cultivate fundamental skills for the animation of youth groups and promote a sense of community and responsibility among the next generation of group leaders and guides. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.